So this is my activity, and first this class creates a custom text field with rounded corners because the default swing text field cannot make rounded corners. It extends GText field so it is work like a normal text field but has a different design. The reduced variable controls how round the corners are. The opaque or false settings allows Java to draw the custom shape, and the paint component method draws the white background with a rounded corners. The paint border method draws the rounded border. It uses graphic 2D so the edges look smooth and clean. Next, this code places a logo at the top part of the window. The image is loaded using image icon and placed inside a G-level. It is centered and then added to the top section of the G-frame using border layout and note. If you don't want a picture, you can use a text header instead with a larger font so it looks like a title. So this code saves the student information to a file called student text. It uses a file writer to open or create the file. The true option tells Java to add new data to the end of the files instead of deleting the old content. The student's name, address, contact, and birthday are written to the file. If the save is successful, a message appears. If there is an error, it prints in the console. This code connects to the SQLite database name studentdb. If the file does not exist, SQLite will automatically create it. A SQL insert statement is prepared to safely add and the student information into the database. The value from the text field and the date chooser are placed inside the prepared statement. After saving, the database connection is closed and a success message is displayed. So yari na nga to output student information. Butang kita ng name tapos address, contact o date of birth. Pag mahuman nato na din yung i-register.